fight for my dreams, my family, and the persecuted. So long as I can breathe, my fight goes on. Everyone can be a legend. Ha 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 ha! My vocals are almost as good as my boxing skills. Almost. Let the game commence! You didn't lose. You learned a lesson. Every bit of your effort will be rewarded. Work hard. Work harder. Work hardest. Boxing is a friend that I have made for life. I'm forever grateful for what I have. I am a champion and a servant for humanity. Nothing personal. You taste victory once, and you'll crave for more. Fight back, even when the odds are against you. There's nothing holding me back when I'm in the ring. I will come back in better form. It fuels my motivation.